Okay, team. So let me just start. Okay. So today we have launched a very good new feature in our prescription pad, which will help many doctors to add patient medical history onto our prescription pad itself instead of the left panel. Okay, clicking on that and going into each section and adding that, which uh, again it closes and doesn't have a doctor doesn't have an idea what he has wrote. So all that things have come on the main pad itself, guys. So I will just show you from a patient point of view, like how to enable, okay, that feature, and how to play with it, or how you can configure that particular field for a specialty specific doctors. Okay, so on my screen you can see we have two patients with Weber Rege. So on the right side I will just click on start visit. So once I just click on start visit, guys, so you can see it is pre-enabled in my system. So how to enable this? On the right side you can see there is an option called as configure your pad. You can go here. So here there would be an option called as patient medical history, so it will be completely bottom. Okay, so it will be something like this. Okay, here it will be available here. So you can just tick over here to enable on the prescription pad. Most of the doctors would generally like to put it on the top, so you can put it by dragging on the top, or you can put it below symptoms. You can ask the doctor where they want it. Okay, so I will just put it like this and I will click on save. So once I just click on save, it will load up something like this. So now you can see there is again a configuration button beside this patient medical history. Okay, so suppose if the doctor doesn't want to write medical history of Vaibhav, he can simply click on this no known medical history and done. It will be closed. Okay, if he wants to write something about Vaibhav medical history, so there are few medical things. Okay, so here we have few diabetes, hypertension, hypothyroid, migraine, asthma, CKD, osteoarthritis, and GRD. But for you guys, it will be just six fields like diabetes, hypertension, hypothyroid. It will be sleep, alcohol, and some other things as well. We can customize also. Even in this box itself, you can see we have current medication, drug allergies. Okay, if the doctor wants some other fields also, like he wants to write about the family medical history or any other fields, we can also include it. Okay, how to include those fields? And if doctor doesn't want like migraine or asthma or CKD, he just want only one or two fields, we can also enable that. So how we can do it? So on the right side there is in configure. For this button, for this medical patient medical history, we have a configure button. We click on that. Once we click on that, you can see right now we are at condition. So in the condition we have selected quick link. So these are the things which are available on this. Okay, so let me right now delete everything. Okay, I'm just deleting it one by one. Okay, yeah, so it will be completely empty on the screen once I just click on save changes. Okay, so I'll just show you what is happening. So you can see it is not showing anything. Now I will click on configure. If doctor wants to write any medical condition, if a general physician, he generally sees for a diabetes patient. So I will just click on diabetes in the condition section. I'll select it and it will be added on the right side. Now the doctor sees like hypertension also. I'll just select this and it will be added on the right side. If a doctor sees hypothyroid also, I will click on it and it will be added. Okay, I think the general physician sees in this, or if a orthopedic doctor. Okay, I'll just remove this. Okay, if it's an orthopedic doctor or neurologist. Okay, let me just start from the neurologist. So neurology doctor will write like migraine. Okay, I will select it and it will come on the right side. And if he is selecting like epilepsy also, I'll just select it and I will add it. And if he wants to add something Parkinson's disease as well, I can add it, or any other things also he wants to add, he can do it. Yeah, so if he wants to add any drug allergies also, he can just go in the drug allergies option and he can also add it. Okay, drug allergies or any other allergies he want to put it, he can also write it in the section. Or in lifestyle habits, so in the lifestyle habits you want to add alcohol, I can click on alcohol and it will be added. Or he wants to add it like a smoking also, we can put it smoking. Or if he wants to add related to sleep also, I can just put it like sleep and it will be added as well. Okay, yeah, so if he wants to add some more fields like on the pad, he can just go in the select section. Okay, so as you were seeing, I had a current medication on the main screen and drug allergies. If the doctor wants to write any existing condition, he can take it on that, and that will come on the screen. And he can also move it, like he wants the existing condition to come on the top, he can move it that as well. Okay, any lifestyle habits, again there are tick buttons, and any past surgical procedure your doctor wants to write about the patient procedures, he can enable that as well. So if I just enable everything, it will come on the screen. Okay, so but a doctor can choose like what all things he wants it on the screen, so it doesn't clutter or the prescription pad. And let's not make the prescription pad very long as well. So let us ask the doctor to customize their prescription pad as minimal as possible, okay, and as effective as possible. Okay, so we can also put it like any other medical history. Okay, so I can just click on save changes. So you can see guys, now it has been arranged according to the neurologist. Okay, so now, so here we have one more important feature guys. Suppose if any patient comes, like Webho has come. So if Webho has a migraine for an example, so previous he was a migraine patient, so doctor needs to just click on this, right, this button, or he can click on migraine also. Suppose if I tap on once as a migraine, it will turn into yes. Okay, if a doctor wants to put it like no, he doesn't have a migraine, we'll just can tick on that and it will turn into no. And if he doesn't want to write anything, he can just click on back again, it will come again not aware. Okay, so if he has a migraine, I'll just tap on yes and it will turn into Y, and it will open up a box. Since how, so I'll just put it like from past 3 years. Okay, just an example. So any alcohol he drinks, yes, I'll put it alcohol. What is the frequency? Uh, it's like one time in a week. Okay. Any smoking? Yes. Any epilepsy or sleep? I can put it like sleep. You can also put it yes or no or yeah. So now you can see the moment I have selected this medical condition migraine, it has come in the existing condition as migraine as well. If I have selected alcohol also, it has gone into directly in the lifestyle habit as alcohol also. Sleep, smoke and sleep as well, all have been added. Okay, so you can see what all we have done. It is all that prescription has been come in the below sections. But generally a doctor cannot write these many things, so we can come again configure, and we can just go in the selected sections. And let me just disable the unnecessary ones, like travel history does, doctor doesn't write. Food allergies, mostly they don't write. The lifestyle habits, doctor writes in neurologist case. Okay, and drug allergies also he doesn't write. For an example, only two things he wants. I will just click on save changes and done. Okay, so it is been, it will be added. Yeah, so only these things will be added, and medical history and family history also. Yeah, so now coming to the symptoms, if doctor wants to write symptoms, okay, he can start writing like headache. Yeah, done. Okay, and diagnosis also. Okay, so since a diagnosis, he can put it like migraine also here again. Yeah, yeah. So once it is done, any medications he wants to put it, can put it Migral or Migra beta both. Okay, any lab investigations also he can put it like sleep test or ECG or yeah, and he can click on continue. And yeah, so let me just show you what is happening at the prescription side. Yeah, so in the prescription side also, what all doctor has entered in the patient medical history. So migraine, it is status active 3 years. Lifestyle habit also, it is showing alcohol. So let me just zoom in a bit. Yeah, so alcohol status active one time in a week. All this comes in the prescription as well. Yeah, so once this has been done, so if doctor wants any follow-up like 3 days, we can put it. And you can see these small entities will also get added on the left side under Weber. So he's a migraine patient, alcohol, smoke and sleep disorders he have. Yeah, so once everything's been added, so now doctor can put it like take medication regularly and quit smoking. And I'll just click on update prescription. And once it has been done, I can just click on finish prescription, and that particular patient will receive a prescription as well. Okay, so this was regarding the uh, uh, patient medical history things. So I will just show you one more time. It will hardly take 30 seconds or more. So again, if you want to configure anything, how to add it, click on configure your pad. Here you need to enable this button, then only it will come on the main screen. And once you just click on save, yeah, it will come on this screen. And if you want to add or if you want to add something, you can just go in the configure button here, and you can add all the conditions respective of the doctor specialty. Okay, and even the drug allergies doctor can put it from here, and any other allergies you can put it from here as well. So in the select section, if doctor wants much more fields to add on, so he can also select it from here, and it will come on the main screen as well. Okay, so that's it about this new feature, guys. So please kindly show it to your doctors, and this is really going to add a lot of value to in writing the prescription, the way doctor writes the prescription. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you for your time.